Okay, look at this problem. Y is equal to a plus b plus c bar, a plus b bar plus c bar, a bar plus b bar plus c bar, a bar plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So the given expression is in the form of pos, right? So obviously whatever the terms you're going to get should be of pi of capital M. So we call them as max terms, right? So look at the expression. You have only three variables a, b, c, a, b, c, a, b, c, a, b, c. Obviously it's quite understood that you're supposed to make use of a three variable K-map. I've written the three variable K-map and I've filled these max terms like 1, 0 is there, so I filled with 0, 1 is there, I filled with 0, 3 filled with 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 0 because 4 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 is there, I have filled with 0, remaining I have filled with 1s. So now you're supposed to make a grouping. So how are you supposed to make, how many, is there a possibility of a octant? 8 ones is, do you find any 8 adjacent ones? No, right? So then think about the quad. Is there any possibility of 8 quads? You're supposed to group zeros, 8 zeros. Is there any possibility of 8 zeros? No. Is there any possibility of 4 zeros? Quad? No. Check it out. Just think about 4 zeros. Just check in all the possible conditions. Is there a possibility of a quad like this? Horizontally, vertically, overlapping, rolling? No, right? So then go with a pair. So if you want to make a pair, this is one pair, this is another pair. So we have left with one more 0. Is there any possibility of a pairing for this 0? Yes, by doing overlapping like this. So if you do like this, so the expression will be for this one, AB bar, A bar, B bar. So A bar, A cancels, B bar is common, and BC bar I have written is BC bar. So well, let me write an expression for this one, this and this group, A bar, B bar, A, B bar, right? B bar, B cancels, A bar, A cancels, B bar is common, B bar, C bar. So I will write, so B bar, C bar plus, so let me write an expression for this pair. Here C bar, C cancels, A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar plus, let me write an expression for these two, A bar, A cancels, B, C, so BC. So the expression which you got is in the form of SOP, so I will write it as Y bar. It's not pos expression because the given expression was pos and they have asked to minimize the pos expression, so the output should be in the form of pos as well, but the expression which you have got is SOP, so don't get confused with this expression. Okay, the expression which you got is SOP. You need to convert this SOP expression to pos. Now how to right now this is SOP means you're supposed to put a Y bar. So how to convert this pos expression, this SOP expression to pos? So this is the expression which you got there. Actually what you got is in the form of SOP. You need to convert to pos. So I've written Y bar. You need Y now. Y is equal to Y bar. So B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar plus BC. Put a whole bar. Okay, now simplify this one. So B bar, C bar, whole bar. Okay, this plus will be converted to product. A bar, B bar, whole bar. So then BC whole bar like this. Okay, so this plus will be converted to product because there is no bar. I have just divided the expression. So B bar whole bar plus C bar, C like this. Then A bar whole bar like this. B bar plus C bar like this. Yeah, bar cancels, bar cancels, bar cancels. So B plus C, this is A plus B, and this is B bar plus C bar will be the answer. This is Y. So the given term is in the form of pos. Okay. So then we have one more problem here. F of ABCD is equal to pi of M. They are directly given the max terms. So the given max terms should be filled the K-map with zeros. So 0 is there, I filled with 0, 2 is there, I filled with 2, 3 is there, I filled with 3, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. I filled the K-map with zeros. So one best thing what you can do is you just fill the zeros, don't write once, okay? Don't write once. At last you are supposed to write once, but if you write once you might get confused. While grouping you might have a confusion. See, right now you can just concentrate only on zeros. So in case of pause, you need to concentrate on only on zeros, right? So if you, rather than writing ones in the remaining portions at the first think about grouping. Later you can write ones for the remaining portions. That won't be an issue, okay? But it will, before writing ones, it will be easy for you people to concentrate only on zeros now. So look at the zeros. So is there any possibility of octants like 8 zeros? No, right? 4 zeros. Check in all directions, 4 zeros. Check in all directions, 4 zeros. Yes. So this is one possible, one quad, and we have zeros at the edges, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. This can be a quad, right? Quad. So we are left with 2 zeros. So this can't be, no more quads, I think. So I can just make a pair. Now fill these remaining portions with ones. We have nothing to do with ones in case of pause, right? Write this. So let me write the expression for this pair a b bar, this pair a b bar, c bar d cancels, c bar is the common. So a b bar c bar I have written here, a b bar c bar for the pair, okay? For this pair a bar b bar c, a bar b bar c and a b bar c bar for the two pairs I have written here. And for this quad a b bar, b bar cancels, a is common here, c bar d bar and c d bar is common, a d bar, where is a d bar? I have written here a d bar. And for the edges, so a bar b bar, a b bar, right? B a bar a cancels, b bar is common here, and c bar d bar and c d bar, c bar c cancels, d bar is common here. So b bar d bar is I have written here. So the expression which you got is in the form of SOP. So, but the expression which was given is in a pause. So you need to simplify the pause expression. You need to convert the SOP into pause now. How it can be converted? The expression which is got in is nothing but y bar. So put a whole bar. So just simplify it like this. A bar d bar, just divide plus into product plus into product plus into product first. So then divide this a bar plus this into plus d bar cancels, d will be remaining, a bar as it is, b bar whole bar plus d bar bar cancels, bd, see a bar plus b bar whole bar plus c bar bar cancels, a bar plus b plus c, like this.